Hungary's election outcome is now shaping a key economic question for the European Union and how and when billions in frozen funds can be released. A landslide victory for Peter Magyar has raised expectations of a policy reset after years of tensions with Brussels over a rule of law. Nearly 18 billion euros in EU funds were withheld during the tenure of Viktor Orban, and Magyar has pledged reforms on corruption, judicial independence and institutional checks to unlock these funds and revive the economy.
We will do everything in our power to ensure that this truly marks the beginning of a new era. For the Hungarian people did not vote for a mere change of government, but for a complete regime change.
Markets have reacted positively, with the Hungarian forint hitting a multi-year high and equities gaining on expectations of EU funds. A potential unfreezing could boost growth, stabilize public finances and improve investor confidence, while also easing Hungary's policy friction with the EU on issues like Russia sanctions and support for Ukraine, though analysts caution that delivery on reforms will be key. The European Union is signaling caution, with the European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen indicating engagements but lawmakers warning against any immediate release of funds. Brussels has stressed that disbursement will depend on concrete and measurable progress on rule of law reforms, making policy credibility central to Hungary's economic recovery.
Hungary's political shift has opened the door to economic recovery, but unlocking it will depend on reform. With billions in EU funds at stake, markets are optimistic, but Brussels is waiting for proof, and the pace of that transition will determine the economic outcome. In New Delhi, with camera person Ashish, this is Diptanshu Kashyap for the Economic Brief, DD India.